Hello, welcome back. Um, well, I'm sitting in a room that I started at one point, and then you know how things just kind of get away, and there's those last little minute things that you say you're going to get finished in that room, and then you don't. We had a sweet a friend, an international student that was staying with us. And so it was really great for her. She loved it. She was just in heaven in this room. But it always bothered me that the closet doors back there never got finished. So I planned on painting them out the same color as the room, but I didn't. Storage ended up going up, extra storage. And then, it after she left, it just became this catch-all room. That piece of tin ceiling that I found was going to go up, but it went on the bed. Some lampshades ended up coming in here. An abandoned lamp came in, and things just kind of started piling up. So I've decided that we're going to do this room together. I'm going to finish those closet doors. I'm going to use some bin 123, I think it is, bin 123. I usually use stick, which is a product that if you have any kind of surface like glass, metal, I mean, you could be used on wood to seal knots in the wood. It sticks. The paint will stick to it, so it's not as much of a problem putting a coat of paint and thinking that's going to peel off. So that's what I'm going to use on those closet doors. It's going to all blend in. I thought about wallpaper. I thought about doing all kinds of fun things, but I think at one point I will change the doors out and put something prettier in there. So until then, I think it would just be nice to be all drenched, cohesive, and not these big white doors. So I'm going to take down the storage unit and put that away so I can access the closet, because my summer clothes are in there and spring clothes. And yeah, we'll get this room back to looking like it should, and come along, and hopefully I'll help you with some little tips.